Alright, this is the part 2 of the video that I was explaining earlier. What I'm doing now is with my CRV. I am agitating everything. I'll show you guys what that looks like. Try to stay away from the fringes. I can always agitate the fringes manually if I have to. Right now for these two rocks, I have about 30-40 gallons of water. 20 of them are the solution ready to use, and the rest of it is water. And the main reason I do that is because natural fibers, especially if it's a wool blend, which one of them is, they absorb a lot of water, and want to make sure you know that they don't absorb so much chemicals. It makes it a little easier to rinse. It doesn't compromise the cleaning. But anyway, so that's number one, agitated. And I am not wearing boots, so I will definitely be ruining the shoes, but so be it. So right now I'm just doing the agitation of the product into the area rug. Some people, they don't really understand why some company charge $1 to $5 on the square feet. I've seen some companies that charge $5 on the square feet to do this. Well, if you do it right, it's very time consuming, and not too many people know how to do it right. As a matter of fact, we've seen a lot of delicate fibers, very expensive fibers, just ruined just because somebody thought they could actually clean it with a truck mount. All of a sudden you are cleaning with 200 degrees of temperature, 200 plus, and guess what? These rocks are very sensitive to high temperatures. So right there, it just get ruined, and you have to be able to control the drying too. And there is no way that a deep cleaning like the type of cleaning I'm doing right now can be achieved in a house. As a matter of fact, we don't clean these rocks inside of the customer's house because, well, look at it. I mean, I am controlling all of my working space, and there is something I cannot do in a customer's home, and I'm not going to do it on somebody's driveway. Absolutely not. That will ruin them. So, but anyways, this is the part 2 of the video. I will be posting here soon the part 3, which is basically rinsing all of the solution out of the rocks.